Guess what? Guess what, Henry? I'm on a special job. I've got to go. I'm going to somewhere special on Sodor. I'm coming too. No, you're not. I'm not having you bustling me about. Snap out of it. Go on your own somewhere else. I'm going somewhere very busy. Thomas, where are you? Hello, Henry. Isn't this fun? I like it, don't you think? Oh, yeah. Kind of, indeed. You look, Gordon won't let me go to that special place with him. He keeps bossing me. Don't you worry about him. He thinks he's a bossy boiler. I'll take care of him. Really? I thought you were going to do that yourself. I will do, as soon as I've got steam. Listen, Gordon, it's not you who's in charge of this island. The Fat Controller is. Yeah, well, I don't want to listen to anything about the Fat Controller, because I've got a special job. I'm going somewhere far away from Sodor, which means I can't be here. Ha ha ha. And Gordon puffed away. Thomas raced off back to Henry. So, he said he's going far away from Sodor somewhere. I wonder who else would know about it. Well, I don't know, but it certainly sounds fun. Let's go and get someone to tell us. Get out of my way! So they went to see Cranky. Cranky was always the busy one. He loves to see the engines. Hello, Cranky. Can you tell us where Gordon's going? Well, please, Cranky. We need to know where he's going. He's off to the big city where you lot went in the days to go and see those children. I think I might have known him going there. The big city where we went in season 4 one day. I think we'd better go there ourselves, Thomas. No, Henry. I've got something very important to do. Henry followed Thomas. Listen, Henry, I'm going to make us get to the big city before Gordon does. That way he'll think we're not here. Good idea. I like it. This is what we'll do. Brilliant. Come on, let's go. Where are you two off to? You look like you're in a hurry. We're off somewhere special. Yeah, like you. But we're going somewhere different than where you're going. Really? What's that then? It's about in the same place where you're going, really, so you might meet us there. Yeah, and it's a bit further away from where you're going. Hey, exactly. Well said, Henry. So I think we should get going now. I'm not even ready yet. Well, we are. Hey, you two, wait for me. You can't beat us, Gordon. We're already going. Yeah, ta-ta. Hey, woo. Come back here. You're not getting away from me. Oh, yes, we are. Come back here. I want to get you too. Now, where is this special place that you're going? Somewhere near mine, eh? It's somewhere around there, but you might see us there. Yeah, you might. Otherwise, you'll be bonkers. Exactly, Henry. That's why you shouldn't go. I really must go. I've got to get there. The Fat Controller told me to go, so I need to go now. And I must go. Gosh, Thomas, our idea's not working well. It's not gonna it's not gonna make him stay at all. Yes, it will, Henry. Don't worry, I'll figure something out. Oh, I know just the thing. Woohoo! Look at that! Isn't it fun? I'm gonna push him. Hey, stop it! Right, I'm coming to get you, two blummings. Ah, run for it! I think we've got ourselves into trouble. Come back here, you! I want you both. Quick, turn the turntable. Right. Uh-oh. No. Try that again. Oh no. Off. Blooming my pistons. I'm not getting this at all now, am I? Ha ha! Looks like me and Henry will take your place at that new city, eh? Yeah, and maybe we'll get a chance to do it ourselves, eh? Yeah, looks like there's no way you're going there now, huh? Ha. Oh, yeah, he's not going anywhere now. Ha. Blooming pistons, I can't believe it. They've been playing tricks on me all day, and now look what's happened. Gordon wasn't happy to stay stuck on the turntable. Thomas and Henry raced off. We're going to get there. Here they come. This is how they'll do it. Ah! Oh no! What's going on? Oh, God Almighty! Now look what's happened. Now, how come we're stuck? Hey, I told you you two would be tricking me. You tricked me all the time, didn't you? We did, Gordon. We wanted to go with you to the big city. No, why didn't you say that before? Why didn't you just say, Gordon, can we go with you? And I would have said yes, but I didn't know you were meant to say that. Ha! Come on, let's get you off there. Gordon raced round to the rescue. Thomas, you're okay. I'll just rescue Henry and then we'll go there together. Yay! We're actually gonna let go now. Indeed we are, Henry. Come on, mister. Let's get you back to work. Come on, we can take our own trains there, if you like. Woo! We can take our own trains. Hey! That means you can take Annie and Clarabel. And you can take... And you can take the flying Kipper. And I can take the express. Woo! This is gonna be great, isn't it? I'm going to enjoy it very much indeed. I hope you do, Gordon. Ha ha ha. Come on, let's give it up. So later on, the engines were ready, and Gordon puffed in. You look handsome, Gordon. Yeah, you look so beautiful with the express now. I am so brilliant, but not dignified.